kitting up my Cardinal Christmas for Jeannie M. Bushnell's Cardinal event in April. This is a partial, and I'm so excited. I want to start this. Today is my birthday, and I wanted to kit it up and get it ready. I'm not placing any drills, Jeannie. And Scarlett, I haven't placed any drills on Threads of the Universe either. Oh, this is so hard because I want to start these. So we're going to kit it up. I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. Welcome to my channel. Hang out for fun and laughs and just goofiness. Here we go. My scissors. Here we go. I said goofiness because, yeah, that's the way it goes around here. All right. So we've got 8320. Yep. I'm going to put that on here. I like to put these upside down because I like to see the color. And I use my tray, Diamond Art Club tray, to catch the spillage. Because spillage happens. Oh, look at this. We got one all the way over there. Okay. So that one is done. And I didn't grab a trash bowl, but that's all right. I'll be able to tell what is trash and what isn't. So the next one we have is 8020, which is this red, which is probably going to be in that Cardinal. 8020 is, where's the other red? Yep, it's going to be in the Cardinal. Yeah, I tried doing this once, not over a tray. Don't do that. It just makes a mess. Makes a mess, I tell ya. Okay, 83.99, and this one is 80.23. I just got done with my first event, and I actually had fun interacting with everybody and learning about YouTube and subscribers and how they come and go. But I am still having fun and enjoying all the people that comment. Let me raise the volume a little bit. There we go. Waha! I love to interact with you guys in the comments. I really do. Continue to comment because it really does make my day. And I have so much fun with the giveaways. I really did. All right, we have colors 8248, 8249, and 8251 in this row. Yep, I had a lot of fun with you guys. And all the jokes and laughter, and muddling through all the technical stuff and technical difficulties. You still hung on. Love you long time for that. I just, you know, computers, they work on their own drum, you know, by their own beat. And you just, as the saying goes, the show must go on, you know? So, I mean, my live yesterday was going great. It really was. Everything was perfect. It started when it was supposed to, and no issues there, because in the past, we didn't think it started, and then when it was all said and done, I go to YouTube Studio, and I had 3 videos up there that I didn't think it started, but it did. So that's just how it goes. 8401, 8441, 8442, and 8446. Yeah, so technology does its own thing when it wants to. So, like I was saying yesterday during my live, I had no idea our camera had a temperature sensor in it, has a temperature sensor in it. And when it's set for high temperature, it shuts off when it gets too hot. Well, apparently it got too hot, but we didn't know that it had one of those temperature settings. Apparently, I think I hit the button when he was showing me how to work the camera the other day. So I think that was my fault, because we shut it off now and the camera is not set to shut off when it gets hot. So it shouldn't do that anymore. I guess it's for like if you go outside or something. I don't know. I don't really know when you're supposed to use that kind of feature. But overall, we figured it out. And then the rest of the video, you didn't get to see my pretty face, and that's okay. I really was okay with that. And the show went on, and we had fun, and we had winners, and we had comments, and we had laughter, and it was fun. And my husband took my ice cream away. Yeah, I can't believe he did that. That was not in the script. That was not in the script, just saying. So, yeah, I don't know who told him to do that, but it wasn't me. Yep, he sure did take my ice cream away. You all saw it too. I'm like, why are you taking my ice cream away? It was my birthday celebration. But he did give it back to me after we hung up with you. Oh, speaking of hanging up, my grandson has a cell phone now. He's 11. And occasionally he's home alone. Not very often, but my son's job, he has to go into the office. And so my grandson is home alone. for a few hours in the morning until he gets on the bus. So my son got him the cell phone because it was actually cheaper to get a cell phone than a house phone. So this cell phone that he got him, he was allowed to put 8 phone numbers in it. So he put 8 phone numbers. So of course, I'm one of them. Now, mind you, I live 6 hours away, but my phone number's in it. His mom's phone number is in it. His dad's phone number is in it. Grandpa. So the first day he had the phone, he called everybody. I'm not kidding. He called everybody, and most of the people in his phone numbers, with his phone numbers, most of the people, they work. Actually, all of them but me. So I was the only one that didn't work, but I was actually recording a video, and he was trying to call me. Well, I didn't answer. I thought he was in school because it was on a Monday and it was like 11 o'clock. But in his county, they get an extra day for spring break. So he was indeed home. Well, he called me 14 times within an hour. On call number 8, I'm thinking it was number 8, he left me a message. And it said, "Grandma Nancy, why is everybody ignoring me?" And I laughed to myself. I was like, because everybody you're calling works. And they can't just answer their cell phone. You know, people work. So when my son got home, he noticed that Todd had 50 calls to the 8 people in his phone log. And my son had to tell him, you can't just call people. They work. They can't answer the phone. And so my son gave him a limit of 1 phone call a day to each person. So, yeah. But I thought that message was adorable. Why is everybody ignoring me? It's not that we're ignoring you. It's that, well, yeah, we are ignoring you. But people are busy. They can't just answer the phone. So his mom actually called my son, because they don't live near each other. And she said, "Is Todd okay? He keeps calling me." And I'm worried now because he's called me 10 times. And he said, "Yeah, he's fine. He just got a new phone and he's just calling everybody. And he's not in school today, so he's home." So we all got a laugh out of it. And my son ended up talking to him and telling him that he can't do that. People work, you know. So, and we have 3 extra. I think I know why. For these guys. So, yep. And one's probably for trash drills. So, yeah, these don't really have a number. I know where they're going to go in the kit, so it doesn't really matter because you can tell which one's the big one and which one's the small one. So, anyway, I'm all over the place, I know. I didn't want to be on here too long. So, this is Cardinal Christmas, all kitted up and ready to go for tomorrow. Tomorrow I get to start, dun, 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 the Reds of the universe. And I'm so excited for that. So excited. Could you tell? So I'm going to put this back in here. Let me move this all out of the way and put this there. Put that there. Cover that. I am all set and ready to go for Jeannie Bushnell's Cardinals event starting tomorrow. It's not too late. Get you a Cardinal canvas. You can probably find one maybe at Walmart. I don't know. Look in your stash. You might have one. I've had this one for a while. I'm so excited. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out. Put your comments below on if you're participating in Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, Feeling Groovy, or Jeannie Bushnell's Cardinal event for April. If you're not participating in those, what are you participating in? Put it in the comments for me. I'd like to know. Thank you, and remember to be kind to everyone you